Hi guys, welcome to my video. My name is Phan and I am a student freshman at Vietnamese German University. Today I would like to guide you through a quick tool in my favorite technology, the Microsoft Azure. As my major is computer science, I use this cloud computing platform nearly every day in my studies. So this video will include two parts. Why we should use Azure, and the rest of videos is a demonstration in Azure App Service. I will show you guys how to create a web app on Visual Studio utilizing SQL Server and quickly deploy it to the cloud. Note that this video is not a tutorial at all, but my opportunity to share my passion and knowledge of technology to a lot of people. I hope that this video will be helpful for some of you guys, especially the ones with non-tech background. Thank you for watching and listening to me. So firstly, we must have a grasp on the definition of cloud computing. So cloud computing is a type of in-base computing where different services such as OS, servers, storage, network are provided for you as a service by another company and accessed over the internet. In short, the migration of the cloud help developers and IT department with the ability to focus on what matters most and avoid undifferentiated work-life maintenance and capability planning. Microsoft Azure is basically a cloud computing platform, but it is much more than that. It inherits the core of philosophy of cloud computing, where everything is on the cloud. Azure Microsoft Computing Platform is designed to be a place to run your app on the internet at scale. Let the scale manage the entire cycle of your app, from that initial design, development, and testing your application. You can deploy to the cloud your internet application with a button, modify and update the internet. Microsoft Azure is a hybrid cloud that can handle whatever you throw at it. So Azure is extremely beneficial, so everyone should use that. Firstly, it's definitely economical because the efforts of data managing, domain managing, and other things in related to the internet cost a lot of labor and money. In internet, as you only have to pay for the application and service you are using. Secondly, the growing library of the Microsoft Azure offer quick creation of virtual machine in both Linux and Windows. There's a huge gallery of different solutions to pick from. We have SQL Server. We can even run Visual Studio on the cloud. You can deploy a web app or a mobile app server to the cloud using .NET, Node.js, PHP, Java, or any language that you can run your app at any scale. Moreover, as Microsoft Azure is reliable and reputable, You can manage and create storage at any site securely and privately. Don't be afraid about the virus. Finally, more than just building block, development using Microsoft Azure can manage elastic, scalable database and elastic developer using elastic database and elastic database pools can create their own service solution today. So what you need for the demo steps is SQL Server Studio Management, Visual Studio, and fundamental knowledge on HTML5 and CSS3. So, Studio. To create a web app, firstly, you must click File, New, Create New Project. This may take a little while. Make sure you choose .NET Framework 4.5.2. Pick ASP.NET Web Application. Please remember to log in into your Microsoft Azure account first. Now, make a name for your application. For example, I will name this Demo App. Let's try. In this video, I will use MVC templates. You are free to use Web API MT templates or any templates that fit to your kinds of application. Now, click Change Authentication. No authentication. Now, make sure you pick host in the cloud. This is very important. Web app. Okay, click OK. You are really close now. So Microsoft Azure suggests a name for your application, web app application. 2460 does not seem like a good number, so let's try 101. So choose app service plans, resource group, database server, the database add-on. Now click OK. Now the project is being created. Ta-da! We have a application here. It's still working. Now I want to open the code. So I click View Solution Explorer. It's the source of my demo app. Please note that this web application is now go online. If you have the link, you can access this web application. Now you need to deploy this application to the cloud. Choose Demo App. Right-click, Publish. You can change what the website looks like, or even change the whole template. But make sure you do it carefully. As you can see on the screen, I have created a website called Adaptive Traffic Congestion Mapping. Here this is just a dummy site. If we click the traffic map, it will lead to nowhere. There are a bunch of more things you can do with Microsoft Azure Web App. For example, add some more style with CSS and HTML in Visual Studio and deploy those changes to your online website so that your website look more attractive. And use SQL database. If you don't like an Azure.net domain, you can purchase another domain in the Azure portal market. You can configure HTTP for the web or even enhance the privacy of your application with custom video. I hope that this video will helpful for some of you guys, and hope that you will use Microsoft Azure for your application in the future.